Hey guys, Miss Goings here. Today you are going to start making some flashcards. In your binder, you should find 8 index cards that look like this. They have little blue lines on the front and the back side is completely blank. We're going to start with the side that has the blue lines and we're going to use that to our advantage as just a little helper. All right, so make sure you have a pencil and I'm going to let you know when to pause the video so that you can do your 4 cards. So you have 8 cards total, pick out 4 of those and here we go. First step, on the front of your card with the little blue lines, you're going to write the name of your instrument. So you are either playing a trombone, T-R-O-M-B-O-N-E, or you are playing euphonium. That's a big, long, fancy word, E-U-P-H-O-N-I-U-M, euphonium. So don't write both of these, just write whichever instrument that you are playing. So if your instrument slides, you are playing a trombone. If your instrument has little valves to push up and down, you are a euphonium player. On the right-hand corner bassoon. Oh, and bassoon is also on these cards. I'm so sorry. Left all the woodwinds out. Bassoon. On the right-hand corner of your card, you're going to put your first and last name. My first name is Kara. My last name is Goings. Please spell your name correctly. Thank you very much. And then on all 4 cards, you're going to do the next 2 steps. You're going to use the little blue lines to draw a staff. You'll remember a staff is 5 lines and 4 spaces. So here is my staff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice that I take up most of the index cards, so these are not short lines, they are longer lines on your card. After you have drawn the 5 lines of the staff on your card, you're going to draw the bass clef. You're going to do that by putting a big, fat, hairy eyeball on line number 4. Count from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big, fat, hairy dot. And then we're going to draw half a heart or a candy cane off to the right-hand side. And then we're going to put a dot in space number 4 and a dot in space number 3, and there is my bass clef. Remember that bass clef tells me that this is the F line, bass or F clef. Very good. So I want you to go ahead and pause the video right now and do this on all 4 cards. Welcome back. So now we're going to take the 4 cards that you have just made and we're going to add your first 4 line notes. So we're going to be drawing on the lines. The first one is going to be on line number 2, count from the bottom, 1, 2, and I'm going to draw a squishy circle that looks like that. This is the letter name B, and we're going to write the letter B, capital B, because letters are proper names. So that's its name, B, so it's a capital B, and put that on the back. So this is card number 1, B. Then after you have done that, go to your second card. Card number 2. You should have a blank card in front of you now. And on this card, we are going to circle line number 3. 1, 2, 3. It's the middle line of the staff. And on the back, we are going to write its name. Line number 3 of the staff is D. Go back to the next empty card. And on this card, we are going to write a squishy circle or whole note on the 4th line of the staff. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that this is the line right there with our big fat hairy circle. So this is the F clef F, letter name F. And go back to your final card. And this one we're going to circle the top line of the staff, line number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the top line of the bass clef staff is A.